Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add trade conditions to the binary auto trading robot. This is the second video of the video series. Please watch until the end and comment below if you have any questions. If you missed the first video on introduction to the binary.com bot platform, please watch that video also. You can find the link in the video description. First, let's open the binary.com bot platform. I go to the website https://www.pro+Bots.com. You can find the link in the description. If you are new to binary.com, you can create a new account by clicking here. Or else you can log into your existing account. I go to my binary.com account and let's decide the parameters for developing the bot. I'm in my virtual account. Let's set the market to volatility 10, index and rise-fall trade type. Let's set the stake to 35 cents and duration to 5 ticks. These are our settings to develop the bot. Now let's decide a trade condition. This is the market and let's change this chart to 1-minute candlesticks. Now I search for the RSI indicator. I add this indicator with period 5. I set the lower level to 30 and the upper level to 70. Here is the RSI chart. Now our trade conditions should be, if the RSI chart is above the 70 level, we place lower trade. If the RSI chart is below the 30 level, we place higher trades. Now let's go to the binary bot platform and implement this strategy as a binary bot. Click on this link to go to the binary bot platform. Check and confirm that you are in the virtual account. Now let's reset the bot. Okay. Let's begin. This third block is not required for us now. I delete it. Now let's set the market and trade type. Volatility 10, index and rise-fall method. Our trading duration is 5 ticks, and the stake is 35 cents. Now we want to develop trade conditions. Let's type our trade conditions in Notepad first. If market cross the RSI level 70, place a fall trade for next 5 ticks. If market cross the RSI level 30 with period 5, place a call trade for next 5 ticks. These are our two conditions and let's implement this in the bot. Click on Advance, then Variables. You can create a new variable from here. Click on it and type RSI level. A new variable is created. Click and drag this code block starting with set, and place it inside second code block. Now we want to add the RSI indicator to this. Click on Binary, then Indicators, then click and drag the RSI indicator and add it to the RSI level. Change the period to 5. Now we want to add an input list. For this, we want ticks list. Click on Tick Analysis, Advance, and click and drag the ticks list, and add it to the RSI indicator. Now RSI level variable is finished. Now we want to set the logics. Please follow the video and develop your bot. If you have any questions, please comment below. Or contact us through the Pro+Bots website. Next video is how to set Martingale strategy in the binary bot. Please comment if you want videos on any other conditions.